engineers from Enthu Technology, training the Bobsev Private Limited staff on operating the new equipment, equipped with a cutting-edge solder paste printer. From 0201 to BGA, ensuring precise application and optimal results. Our upcoming loader machine features a 100 PCB storage capacity, designed to streamline production by efficiently managing and feeding boards into the assembly line, ensuring a continuous and smooth operation. Our cutting-edge pick and place machine, featuring 8 nozzles and a capacity for 80 feeders, ensures precise component placement from 201 to BGA with 0.01 mm accuracy, operating at an impressive speed of 12,000 cf. Our newly installed reflow oven features 6 heating zones on the top and 6 on the bottom, delivering high-quality soldering performance. Equipped with both mesh and chain conveyor options. It ensures efficient and consistent soldering for a wide range of components. Our new automatic unloader machine boasts a 100 PCB capacity, providing seamless and efficient handling for high-volume production. Ensuring smooth workflow and optimized performance in the assembly line. AOI with high-precision ball screw and RGB camera, ensuring 8M accuracy and 830 mm per second. Speed for inspecting 01005 chips and 0.3 mm pitch ICs. Our next machine is the AOI 980 model, designed with advanced 2D image processing for precise inspection, capable of handling components from 201 to fine pitch ICs. It offers easy programming and high-performance offline inspection, ensuring exceptional quality control. Our AOI 980 with advanced 2D image is capable of detecting various defects such as in component shifts, wrong, insufficient soldering, and flipped component. This ensures thorough inspection and high-quality output. Our AOI 980 provides detailed PCB inspection reports, offering data analysis that keeps customers happy and makes PCB traceability effortless.